Today is lesson 3.5, Modeling with Arrays. Our essential question is, how can you use arrays to model multiplication and find factors? Our problem of the day is Cora is reading a book that has 400 pages. She has already read 300 pages. How many pages does Cora have left? Using the cubes method, I would circle the numbers, which is 400 and 300. I'd underline how many pages does Cora have left to read, and I would box the clue words, which is left. So I know the key word left tells me this is a subtraction problem. So what I would do is 400 minus 300, and that would equal 100. The trick that I used is subtracting by place value. So 4 minus 3 is 1, and then adding the zeros back, which would be 100. Our story problem is Johnny has 18 books. He needs to put these books in 3 shelves equally. So I'm going to make this array here to solve my problem. This shows the relationship between addition and multiplication by showing the repeated addition problem as well as the multiplication problem. So the repeated addition problem would be 6 plus 6 plus 6, and that would equal 18. Or I could do 3 times 6, and that would equal 18. This next problem here, I have 4 rows of 3. I want you first to make a repeated addition problem, and then I want you to make a multiplication problem to show this array.